In this video, we are going to understand how to create Fibonacci series. Okay, Fibonacci series, how to do for a particular term and then particular up to a number. So we will see both the programs. First, we will see how to create Fibonacci series for a given term. That means, for example, first 10 terms, how we are going to do that. So let's see. Create a class Fibonacci. I'm just giving this name and then public static void main and finish. So first you need to understand what is Fibonacci series. So when I say Fibonacci series, so whenever you have the numbers, for example, I'm starting with 0. So 0, 1 and then any series, like whenever you talk about Fibonacci series, it will start with 0 and 1, and whenever you add the first two numbers, the sum should be equal to the next number. That means 0 plus 1 is 1. So when the next number is 1 plus 1, that is 2. And then the next number is 1 plus 2, 3. Then the next number is 2 plus 3. So this is called Fibonacci series. So how we are going to write the program for this? So in order to do this, first initialize up to what terms you wanted to see the value. So I'm initializing my int value up to 10 terms. That means I'm going to see these values till 10 terms. So let's like this: 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, then 3 plus 5, that is 8, and then 8 plus 5, that is 5 plus 8, 13. So if you look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 8 plus 13, 21, 9, and then 13 plus 21, the value is 34. So if you look at, there are total 10 terms. 0 is first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. So this is the output we are going to show. So to do that, I am taking the n number as 10, and then I am going to take two variables. One is t1, assume that is first value is always 0 and 1 respectively in the Fibonacci series. So that's the reason t1 is equal to 0 and t2 is equal to 1. So now we have initialized the values. So to do this program, I am going to make use of for loop. So you need to know for loop to write this program. Let's say for int I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, that is what the term we are going to take, and then I plus plus. And what I am going to do is, I am going to print, make it as equal, and then what I wanted to write is system out SYSO . So first what I am going to do is, I am writing the value of t1, that is the 0 value, plus, and then I am adding the next numbers. So to do that, first what we have to do is, first do the sum of these two. Int sum is equal to t1 plus t2, because what is going to happen when you have the first number is 0 and the next number is 1, so the third number will be a sum of 0 plus 1. That is what I have done. So int sum is equal to t1 plus t2. And after that, what we are going to do is, I am going to assign my t1 value to t2, because your t1 should be considered as t2. And after that, what I am going to do is, I am assigning my t2 value to sum. Then next time when we iterate this loop, automatically these values will get added to the next number. So now what I am going to do is, see here some error, t1, t2. So I did not initialize t2. This is t2. So if you look at, everything is done. Now if I run this program, see the first 10 terms program will show us the Fibonacci series: 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 13 plus 21 plus 34. This is what we are expecting in the Fibonacci series. So if you want to do it for 11, then automatically the next number also will come, that is 21 plus 34, that is 55. So this is how you will do this program using for loop.